Here's something that might shock you. While most people associate Syrian pistachios with the famous city of Aleppo, the real powerhouse of this lucrative industry lies elsewhere entirely. The Hama Governorate has quietly become Syria's undisputed pistachio capital, housing an impressive agricultural empire that spans over 21,000 hectares and boasts more than 800,000 individual pistachio trees. To put this massive scale into perspective, imagine an area roughly the size of a major metropolitan city, completely dedicated to these prized green nuts. But here's where it gets really interesting. This single region single-handedly produces approximately half of Syria's entire domestic pistachio output. That's an extraordinary concentration of agricultural power in one governorate, making Hama not just regionally significant, but a crucial player in Syria's position within the global pistachio market. While the world still recognizes the legendary Fustoq Halab, Aleppo pistachios, as the gold standard, the reality on the ground tells a different story. The cultivation has strategically expanded beyond Aleppo's borders, with Hama now claiming the lion's share of national production. This geographic shift represents more than just agricultural expansion. It's a fundamental transformation of Syria's pistachio landscape. And this is the part most people miss. Syria once stood as one of the Middle East's premier pistachio exporters before 2011, competing directly with major producers like Iran and Turkey. The country's pistachios were coveted in international markets for their exceptional quality and unique flavor profile. However, here's where the story takes a controversial turn. The systematic destruction of agricultural infrastructure, a direct consequence of the previous regime's policies, dramatically altered Syria's standing in the global pistachio trade. Production volumes plummeted, export capabilities were severely compromised, and what was once a thriving industry found itself struggling to maintain its former glory. But here's a thought-provoking question. Could this agricultural setback actually represent a hidden opportunity for Syria's pistachio industry to reinvent itself? With Hama's exceptional genetic diversity and massive production capacity, some experts argue that Syria could emerge stronger than ever in the post-conflict era. What's your take on this? Do you think Syria can reclaim its position as a pistachio superpower, or has the window of opportunity permanently closed? Should other pistachio-producing regions be worried about Syria's potential comeback? Or is the competition too fierce in today's global market? Share your thoughts. This debate is far from settled.